Loved it, so I went back and got it again, guys. Look at this. Woo! From Temu, guys. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new here, you know that we're doing unboxing for Temu. Every week we do reviews for Temu product. I have this to open, and some of you guys will know why I went back and got it. Very good. So you've already guessed, I went back and added more of this because we loved it. Here at home, we love it. It's just so good. These are just good qualities. I'm telling you, good quality, and the price is just so affordable. I'm telling you, I couldn't help it. I went and added more. I remember I told you last time that I had more of this design coming. So this was it, because I just added, because I was just trying with the first one, but when it came, I loved it. So I went ahead and just added this. So pretty. We love it here, me and my husband. We true guys, they are just good quality. Went ahead and added these 4 because they are just so beautiful. The designs are just so pretty. I hope that you guys love it. I'm gonna leave the link below so that you guys can get if you want, but for me, I really love it, especially with the price. That's why I added it. It's because of the price. So I hope that you guys love it. I'm gonna leave the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bisous bisous.